Alright, so we went and picked up Adam's ride here. As you can see, it's pretty much a piece of junk. You know, there's rust everywhere. It's got some 80s decals on it. What's this, mismatching wheels? You know, we got a wheel back here, steely up there. Pretty much a piece of junk. So we're going to get it up into the shop here, because Adam, you're about to get overhauled. See what we're working with here.
Oh my God!
Adam, what have you been driving? What do we got, about 60 horsepower in this thing?
What is this?
Wow.
Oh man.
Alright, let's pull this thing out.
Alright. Alright, what do you think, crew? We got 8 days. You think we can do it? Yeah! Alright.